Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is January's box. So it did arrive as per usual, pretty late. And then I have my add-ons that also just arrived today. So I can go through those with you as well. So add-ons happens like once every 2 months or something. And I decided that I wanted to pick up some stuff. So I'm gonna go through all of the add-ons with you because I'm really excited. This month's box is the January subscription box. To be honest, I didn't use a single thing in December and November's box yet. So I have so much makeup to go through and review and make videos on, and I am overwhelmed. But this is January's box. So it looks like this when you open it up. I have no idea what's in it. I have not looked at any of the spoilers, and I'm really excited. So the first thing I see is the card, and it says this is the refresh box. So it gives you all of the pricings and everything that you got. So I'm super excited. The first thing I see is a little, looks like a little base player. It says pump your base, 2 multi-use makeup sticks. So this is from the brand Pinky Rose. I really like the brand Pinky Rose. I have a bunch of their eyeshadow palettes. I just haven't done any reviews on them yet. The packaging on this is really cute. It looks like this. It looks like a little boom box. It's super adorable. And this is a Pump Your Base 2 multi-use makeup sticks. I have no idea what that is. So they look like this. So these are jazz and hip hop. So this one is obviously a cream one. That's what the lid looked like. And this one is obviously kind of like a brown kind of copper color. I'm really excited to see what these are. So these are a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. And they retail for $20. So I've never heard of anything like this before, but this is basically a multi-use pen. It can either be eyeshadow, it can be a primer, it can be a lipstick, it can be whatever you want. So that's really exciting. The packaging is really cute. I don't really like the colors that I got though, to be honest. I'm really not gonna probably use these. I may give these to a friend just because I don't really go for copper or beige kind of looks. So I'm not too sure that I really will get a whole lot of use out of these ones, but I may pass these along to a friend. But the packaging is really cute and I really like this brand. So that's really awesome. The first item was $20. So let's pull up my calculator so we can total everything up. Dragon Beauty, this is the lip job liner and lip pencil sharpener. So it looks like this. I've never tried anything from this brand, and we got the color 20cc, so it looks like that. So this is a pencil. So this is the Dragon Beauty lip job liner pencil, and this is the color we got. It looks kind of just like a neutral lip liner pencil, and we got a sharpener. I'm really not going to use this. I don't really know anything about this brand, and I don't like pencils that are wooden like this. They hurt my lips, they hurt my skin, and I just don't like them. And I just don't line my lips. So this is, again, another item that I'm going to pass along. I think a lip liner coming with a pencil is really cool, but I don't like pencils that are wood like that, so I would never use that. So that is the Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner Sharpener. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this XX extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with a single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener, and it retails for $18. I wouldn't pay $18 for a lip pencil. That's just not an item that I'm really that excited about. I do think that the packaging is cute, but not into that, and so far I'm not liking this box. The next thing I see is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So it looks like this. I've used a couple items from Pharmacy, and it's pretty hit or miss with me. My skin is very sensitive, and I don't really react that well with a lot of skincare products that I try through Boxycharm and just subscription boxes in general. I have had a really bad experience with a Pharmacy product in my past, and it was the Honeymoon Glow product, and it was horrible. I have a video, I'll link it up in the eye if you guys are interested, but I did not like that, and it did not work for my skin. So I'm really interested to try this. So this is a hyaluronic acid plumping serums, a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multimolecular hyaluronic acid designed to work more efficiently with the skin, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. And you can apply it in the morning and evening, and it doesn't say to only use it once a week or once a day, so I think you can just use it every single day. It is paraben-free, formaldehyde donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free, pithlate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. So you can just apply it to your skin in the morning and the evening, and it's just supposed to be a skin serum, so hyaluronic acid plumping serum. Does it have a scent? I'm curious. Doesn't really smell like anything. It kind of smells can't really pinpoint the smell. It doesn't really have a scent though. So it looks like this. It's really interesting. I'll definitely give this a try. I haven't really had the best of luck with Pharmacy, especially with their skincare products, but I will try it and see if I like it. So that is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum, and it retails for $44. So that is fairly expensive. So that's really cool that we got that item. So I will definitely do probably a month-long test on this in the future, but if you guys are really interested in this, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that sooner than later if you guys are actually interested. And the next thing I see is a Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Super Fruit Radiance Balm. So this is a sea fruit and super berries. It's like a lip balm, I think. Radiance Balm. Oh, it's really pretty. It looks like this. So this is as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary to achieve your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. Okay, so it's a skin balm. That seems really interesting. I wonder if it takes off your makeup. It says, from the loving arms of the islands, Nymphs comes with the sweetest and richest nectar, a butterfly beauty secret known to instantly reveal pure radiance, induce youthful buoyancy, and impact profound moisturization for your skin. As sea fruit and super berries playfully melt across your face, they insert a lively abundance of all of the stuff that I just said. And it says, in moisturizing, emulsify a tiny dollop between your fingertips and gently massage into your face, neck. As a sleeping mask for the last step of your nightly skincare routine, apply a generous layer, massage in, let absorb for 10 minutes. As a rescue repair treatment, scoop out a small amount and massage into affected area. So you can use it in many different ways, I guess. So that's really cool. This retails for $38. That's almost as expensive as the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Plumping Serum. So that's really cool. So $38, and the packaging on that is really cute. So I really like balms. I really like makeup balms that remove your makeup. That one's not really a makeup balm, but still seems really interesting, and I'm definitely going to try it again. So again, if you are interested in this product, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do a month-long test or a review on it at some point, so just let me know. And the last item is a palette. So again, they did not stuff the box with bubble wrap. This is the only packaging that we got in it to secure all of these glass items, which I think is ridiculous, but they did bubble wrap the palette, so that at least is nice. So the palette did say safe and nothing broke, at least, so that's good. So this is a Contour Series Cream Palette. I've never used cream contour before, so I'm really interested to see if I like this or not. This is what the palette looks like. It seems really, really pretty, and I'm very interested to see what it looks like on the inside. So we got a booklet that came with it, and I guess it just gives you all of the different areas that you can contour your face for different shapes and what is highlight and what is contour. So that's really interesting. I've never actually looked at a face diagram before, so that's really cool that it actually came with it. So this is the Aesthetica Contour Series Cream. So it looks like this. So it looks very similar to my NYX contour and sculpting palette that I already have, but that one is more of a powder one. This is a straight cream. So I've never actually used a cream contour before. I'm very excited to try it. I have had my eye on a lot of cream blushes after watching Maddie Bean here on YouTube's her videos, because she uses cream blushes quite a lot, and I'm really interested to try this. They give you step-by-step instructions included inside for the highlight shades and the contour shades, so that is really interesting. So that retails for $40. So that is pretty expensive for a contour kit. I'm pretty much used to paying for the NYX one. The NYX one I think is like $20 or $25 at the drugstore. It's not that expensive, but that one was $40. 40 USD is very expensive for this Canadian. So I'm really excited to try this. It seems like a really, really heavy product. It seems like kind of like a luxurious product. I'm just not used to having anything like this in my collection. So I'm very, very interested to try it. And I probably will follow this little face diagram here and the instructions just so that I can hopefully not screw this up for my first time using it, but I'll definitely use that in the future. So again, if you're interested in me trying out this product on my channel, please let me know, or else I'm probably just gonna do it for Instagram. But that was everything that was in this month's Boxycharm. So the total of this month's box was $160, and that is in USD. So remember, I'm in Canada, so that is really good. Considering I only paid about $40 for this box, I paid about 40 Canadian after shipping and tax and all of that. So 160 USD retail for all of these products is really great. I didn't really care for this box, to be honest with you. I'm excited to try the hyaluronic acid plumping serum, the balm, and the contour palette, but I could have done without the eyeshadow sticks and the lip liner pencil. I just don't like getting lip liners in Boxycharm. I would much rather get like an eyeliner or something. The lip liners are just throwaway items in my opinion. So I would like to get products that I would actually use from brands that I've never tried before, but a lip liner isn't one of them, unfortunately. I do not know how to line my lips and I'm just not about to try. So that was everything that was in this Boxycharm, but now we can move over to the items that I got in the pop-up shop. So I got 2 of the Luxe, I'm sorry if I say this name wrong, the Luxe makeup wipe remover things that are not one use. So you can definitely throw them in the washing machine and use them multiple times. So this is the vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and it's recommended use the white remove makeup, gray apply toner and serums, and the black one washes your face. So it is a 3-pack and it gives you instructions on how to use it. I got both of these. I think they were like $10 or something in the pop-up, so I got 2 of them. And I did order another one of these in the past. I ordered it back in like November and I gave it to one of my friends because she always falls asleep with makeup on and it drives me crazy. So I ordered 2 more for myself just to try because I really wanted to try it and I didn't actually try the last time that I got them, so I'm excited. And I got this Pure Release Coconut Oil Hibiscus Coffee Body Scrub. So my boyfriend is absolutely obsessed with coffee scrubs and coffee scented and flavored things. So I figured he would really like this. So this is the coconut oil softens and nourishes skin. Hibiscus helps soothe sensitive skin. Fruit extracts promote elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness. For best results, follow with Pure Release Coconut Oil and Hibiscus Silky Body Butter. So I didn't get the body butter, but I just got this. And this is my absolute favorite brand when it comes to foundation. So I really wanted to branch out and try another one of their products that wasn't just a BB cream, because that is basically the products that I use the most. And the last item that I got is the Luxe brush set. So this is the brush set that I literally use in almost every single one of my makeup looks. It is the purple one. So you get a spoolie for your eyeliner, you get a blending brush, you get a smaller blending brush, you get an angled brush, and you get a flat like packer brush. These are my absolute favorite brushes, and every single time they're at the pop-up, I pick them up because not only do they come in a cute little travel purse thing, but they are just so soft, so amazing, so cute, and so inexpensive. Luxe is literally my favorite brand for brushes, and I use so many of them. Like my entire jar here that I use brushes is mostly Luxe brushes. It's hilarious. Like this is one of those brushes that is already in here, and I just have so many. I have pink ones, I have gold ones, I have purple ones. Anytime there is a sale on Luxe or they're at the pop-up in Boxycharm, I pick them up. They are the best. But that was everything that I picked up in the pop-up shop, so I didn't pick up too many things. There just wasn't a whole lot of items that I was actually that interested in because the shipping is fairly expensive and the wait time is crazy. When you order something in the pop-up, it takes like 3 to a month to get to you. It's crazy. But this is everything that was in my Boxycharm this month. It was pretty lackluster. I'm not really that into it. Honestly, I'm pretty much thinking about canceling Boxycharm. The only reason that I haven't canceled Boxycharm is because I really do like the pop-up shop and I like using it to pick up like my foundation, my brushes, stuff like that. But I'm just really not overly satisfied with Boxycharm. I haven't been in a really long time. I always say I'm gonna cancel Boxycharm and then I never do. But the prices keep going up and the boxes keep getting shittier and shittier. So I'm not that impressed. I'm really excited for the contour palette, but everything else I could have lived without. I don't really think I'm that excited for really anything in this entire box. Like I said, I've never tried a cream contour before, so I'm really excited about that concept, but the actual like box itself was kind of lackluster. But it is what it is. That's what happens with subscription boxes. You're not always going to get a box that you think is amazing. The November box was amazing. December sucked, now January sucked. This is the mood that we're going into with Boxycharm this year. I'm probably gonna end up canceling. Everybody that I know that has had Boxycharm in the past has canceled by now, so I'm the only one hanging on, hoping that they get better boxes and better items, but they haven't really been. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video.